Hi, I'm Mike Verkamp, President of LHPU, coming to you from week 3 of the Intro to Autonomous Mobility class. I've told you about some of the technology that the students learned early on, introduce you to the autonomous vehicle we have here, which we named Tigris, fully electric autonomous vehicle. This is the platform the students are learning about and building their technology education on. This week we're going to talk about a very important and emerging technology in autonomous vehicles, and that is Lidar. That stands for Light, Ranging, and Detection. I'd like to introduce you to Luke Rector from the Indiana University Purdue University Engineering Technology School of Computer Engineering Technology. Luke was part of the original team that helped us to develop the curriculum specifically around Lidar, and Luke has applied his learnings and the technology in several projects. So I'd like to turn it over to Luke to tell you about Lidar and some of the ways that he's grown in his knowledge and applied the technology. Luke?
Thank you. So whenever I came here to LHP, I was working in an internship role. I knew that I needed to create a small-scale autonomous car, and I needed some sort of sensor that would be able to gather data so that as the car was moving around, it was able to detect its surroundings and react accordingly. I looked through several different options, and I found that Lidar was the most applicable for our case. It uses 360-degree technology where it sends out laser beams and returns them back. There's a microcontroller inside that calculates those distances and provides very complex data points that allow for a 360-degree view of its surroundings. We use this sensor alongside our microprocessor to create a detection algorithm that was able to navigate the car throughout various courses throughout the office here. I took that information that I learned about Lidar to create a portion of the course that we taught here on autonomous mobilization technology, where we walked through the Lidar technology. We were able to have the students use the technology themselves. So in the lab room here, they had multiple cars set out where they're able to use these Lidar sensors in combination with programming languages that they learned to create these small-scale autonomous cars and learn more about overall what goes into creating an autonomous vehicle. Lidar is a very, very versatile tool. It's big in the industry right now. You have ranges going from a few meters out to hundreds of meters where you can gather large multitudes of data that can provide a lot of detail for use in autonomous solutions.
Well, that's great, Luke. Appreciate you talking about your learnings there. I also want to point out we have a Lidar system here on top of Tigris. And as Luke talked, the students are learning on small-scale vehicles, but eventually they will be taking their learning to program the Lidar here along with the sonar and the radar and other technologies to fully program this autonomous vehicle. If you'd like to learn more about what we're doing here at LHPU and how you could benefit from this training and build a career in autonomous mobility, please reach out to us at LHPU. Thanks, and talk to you soon.